So let's do this awesome riff by Ozzy Osbourne, Crazy Train. We're going to start on the 2nd fret on the E, play it 2 times, 4 on the A, back to 2 E, 5 on the A, 2 on the E, 4 on the A, 2 on the E. Then jump to 2 on the A, to the E string, 5, 4, 5, back to 2 on the A, back to E, 5, 4, 0. We're going to do that 3 times. 3 times, and then the 4th time the start stays the same. 2nd fret on the E 2 times, 4 on the A, 2nd fret on the E, 5 on the A, 2nd fret on the E. This time we're going to jump to 4th fret on the A, pull off to the 2nd fret, then just play the D power chord up to an E power chord. So that last one there. So let's try that at a slow tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 4. And up the tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 4.